Yes, next.
The next question we have is from Oklahoma, Oklahoma Somanathan Center, Nimisha. Nimisha is asking, Swamiji, I'm grateful for this opportunity and thank you for this class. I'm doubting if I need to pursue publishing my children's book. I want to also pursue with writing another book about different types of families. I believe this is my desire, but I still have a doubt. Please help me get on the right track.
Nimisha, yes. You should publish the book about these children, and you should do the next book also. I can see very clearly you will be a great successful author. My blessings.
The next question we have is from New York, Varanasi, Manhattan Center.
Yes.
Jean is asking, how is your energy being transmitted through the internet?
Manhattan, Jine. Can you wave your hand? Yes, please understand. Energy does not get restrained by time and space. It's beyond time and space. It is not getting transmitted through internet. Please understand. Internet, even if the internet connection goes, you sit there, I sit here. The moment I remember you, you remember me, energy can be transmitted. Understand? So it has nothing to do with internet. It is simply the decision to share it, transmit it. The decision to transmit happens from here. Decision to receive happens there. It is transmitted. That's all. I can give you live demo also if you want. Every Shivaham process is a live demo. Next.
The next question we have is from Vancouver Center, Carmen Pierce. Carmen, please wave your hands. Yes.
Yes.
Carmen is asking, how can I get out of this stuck feeling and the fear of failure?
Again, Carmen, just next 21 days, practice completion with your boredom pattern. It's boredom pattern that makes you feel that you are stuck. Practice completion with it, the whole problem will be solved.
The next question we have is from Melbourne Thiruvarur Center, Talvinder. Melbourne Thiruvarur. Talvinder is asking, dear Swamiji, how can I find fulfillment in this life? Thank you very much.
Yes, Melbourne, we can see you. Talvinder, can you write? Yes, please understand. The fulfillment can be experienced in the life only by completion. Spend at least next 21 days, every night before going to bed, spend at least 21 minutes doing completion. That is enough. 21 days, 21 minutes a day, completion will bring you fulfillment.
तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय नित्याय शुद्धाय.
The next question we have is from Manhattan, New York Center.
Manhattan, yes. Go ahead.
Rima is asking, do we come here with destiny? If yes, can it be changed?
No,
or corrected?
Rima, please understand. You have certain unconscious flow That only we call it as destiny. It's like a, if you don't change, there is a destiny. If you decide to change, there is no destiny. That's all. Understand? If you don't change, the automatic plan, the default plan will go on. If you decide to change, there is no destiny. Please understand, default is always fault. That is why it is called default. There will be the default unconscious plan you have. That is only called as destiny. If you don't intervene, naturally you will breathe. The natural things will be happening. So that is what is called destiny. The moment you decide to change, interfere, destiny doesn't exist. To tell you honestly, for all practical purposes, there is no such thing as destiny. Be free from it. Next. Hey, Shakti Rupa's brother is not put Vibhuti. Houston. Vishnu. You may be Vishnu, but you are Shiva Bhakta only. Understand? Next.
Next question is from Melbourne Adinam Center, Catherine. Catherine is asking, I've been struggling with seeing earning money as good. Intellectually, I know earning well is fine, but in my being, I push money away. I am worried.
Catherine, can you wave your hands? Catherine, Melbourne. See, this is one of the biggest problem everyone has. Unconscious struggle with money. Just within next few days, we have a program called Nitya Dana Yoga. It is N Wealth. One program specially dedicated to this wealth pattern. Wealth pattern is the pattern with which almost everyone is struggling. If you are a human being, you are struggling with wealth pattern. If you don't have, there is a struggle. If you have, there is a struggle. Wealth is such. As long as the patterns exist, it keeps you continuously struggling. So, maybe attend this wealth program, the N Wealth program. Please attend this program. That will take care of completely clearing this wealth related patterns.
The next question we have is also from Melbourne Adinam, Christine. Christine is actually requesting for blessings for her inner awakening.
Christine, blessings. Blessings for your inner awakening. The moment I say inner awakening, if any of you feel, oh, big money, what to do, you also have a wealth pattern, please attend this N Wealth program. You will be out of this wealth problem. You will attract wealth naturally and live a life in a very smooth, beautiful, flowing way.
And Swamiji, there are a lot of questions on inner awakening. Can we play a short video where Swamiji introduces what is inner awakening?
Yes, you can play for a few minutes, introducing inner awakening. Then I will continue the questions. Answering your questions and questioning your answers. I'll do both. Nityanandeshwara Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. I welcome all of you. Welcome home. First, foremost, ancient home established by Mahadeva to receive all of you is this Anandavana. Welcome home to experience love current of Mahadeva. See, the very inner awakening program I developed to awaken the human beings to their possibilities, to all your powers, energies, intelligence, experiences, ultimately enlightenment itself. I decided to play the role of a co-creator, support, assistant, guru, made them involve, start doing. That's the way I designed the Inner Awakening program. But I know human beings cannot make it, they have to be given. That is why I evolved the next program, Shivoham, where you don't need to do anything, directly it is delivered. Door delivery. It is not just home delivery, home delivery. Home delivered at home. But I realized when they are just given without they doing anything, they start developing self-doubt. Did I get it? Because you have such a strong self-doubt. I am not qualified for anything. I am not worthy of anything. Because of that strong self-doubt, people start having little self-doubt. One side, if I ask you to do, you say, I can't. I don't know how to. Other side, I say, all right, I am giving it, receive it. No, whether I am qualified or not. Finally, I arrived to the solution. If I just conduct as an inner awakening program,